So I'm going to go over this diving waterproof case from the company Shellbox. And this is the 2nd generation case, by the way. It's good up to 15 meters. What's 15 meters? 3 times 15, what is that, about 45 feet? That's a deep case. Because a lot of people, what you don't want when you're using your iPhone, so I have an iPhone 13 Pro, you don't want to dive with these because when you go so deep, it will eventually start going. These are good for about 3 meters. I think about 10 feet an iPhone's good for. And what this case is actually made for diving, which I recommend that if you're going to be doing any type of diving. And let's just go ahead and unbox it here. So you get the actual dive case by itself there. It looks very premium case. By the way, that's a little kind of pressure relief right there. We'll set that down. What's in this box? Okay, well, right here, we get a lanyard. I won't put the lanyard on. I don't think we need it. You get the little kind of microfiber cloth. Kind of tells you how to use it. Basically, these actually squeeze your phone in there. Now, these little pieces right here will go for whatever phone you're using. So by the way, you could still use your screen. So technically you should be able to use your screen through this thing. Let me go ahead, read this, get it set up in here, and then we're here at the river. I'm gonna toss my phone in the water. We'll see what it does. So let's do that now. So what you do, you see this little adjustment right here? You're gonna find your phone, and if you watch, when I squeeze the buttons, you guys see that? It'll actually hit the button that you wanna hit. So what I'm gonna do is unlock that one, and that should work this way. So no, see, because my shutter button's on this side. So what I'm gonna do, we'll put the phone down. See how you can lock that? We'll lock that one, unlock that one, and then my shutter button's right there. So we'll see how that works. So now you've got that. You'll put this on here like this. Make sure you do it in the right way. This is going to squeeze it down tight, and technically that should work. And we should be able to access the screen. Oh yeah, that's really tight, everybody. You guys see this? You can take a picture through the phone. I don't know how well you can see that. So if we're diving, I would have my lanyard on and I could take pictures, and look, I can move it and I can take video. So see how I can take pictures and video? This right here will work, but I need to adjust the phone a little more. Let's take it down here and let's drop it in the water and see what it's like in the water. Now, when you dive under, here's what this is for. This is a pressure relief valve. When you dive under and dive back up, this thing will be impossible to open. So what this does, this helps it open up. Now, that only affects it when you dive maybe 20 feet under. So let's take it down here to the water. So let's go ahead and put it underwater. I think it's all closed. Make sure that's closed. Look at that, everybody. I'm taking pictures underwater. You guys see that? Now I'd be diving around and I could take these pictures underwater. See how there's the picture right there. See how I can access it? And I can move it around. See, there's all the pictures. Obviously it's just of the ground. You guys hear that? And it makes the phone almost indestructible. Like, you can drop it down in the water. Now that will stay down there with no leakage. Now, if I did my iPhone like that, obviously this shallow, I'm not that worried. But if it was real deep, you don't want to do your iPhone. It will go through it. This is a great option for anyone that's just going to be doing some diving, or just on a maybe kayaking or on the beach in general, that needs to have your phone protected in a solid case. Listen to that. That's awesome. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the professional waterproof case. See you on the next video.